Hello there. Welcome to Poly English. I am teacher Johanna, and what is your name? Anna, how beautiful. Hi Anna, welcome to Poly English again. And how are you today? Oh, you're doing good. Teacher is doing good too, Anna. But before we begin our lesson, I have a few questions for you, Anna. Is that all right? Okay. Anna, can you hear and see me clearly? Okay. Is my speaking speed okay with you or do I need to slow down? Okay, Anna, perfect. Now, Anna, our title for our lesson for today is Can Only Birds Fly? Repeat after me, okay? Can only birds fly? Okay, that's great, Anna. Now, Anna, I have a questions for you. What can you see in the first picture? A bird. Say it is a bird. What kind of bird is this, Anna? Hmm. Oh, you don't know. Anna, it is an owl. Yes, it is an owl. Perfect. How about this one? Do you know what animal is this? A firefly. Very good, Anna. Say it's a firefly. Okay, perfect. Now, Anna, look at this picture. What animals do you know? Okay, let's start here. What animal is this, Anna? A tiger. Say it's a tiger. Again? Okay, that's great, Anna. How about this one, Anna? What animal is this? A penguin. Say it's a penguin. Okay, Anna. This one, Anna. Do you know what animal is this? Hmm. A giraffe. Very good, Anna. Say it's a giraffe. Okay. How about the big one, Anna? Do you know what animal is this? It is an elephant. Say, it is an elephant. Okay, Anna, very good. How about this this one? A bird. Say, it is a bird. Okay. How about this one, Anna? It's a cute one. Meow meow. Oh, it's a cat. Very good, Anna. How about this one, Anna? Do you know what animal is this? It's a monkey. Say, it's a monkey. Okay. How about this one? Ruff, ruff. A dog. Very good. It is a dog. Very good, Anna. You did a great job. Now, Anna, what is your favorite animals? Do you have a favorite animals, Anna? A cat. Okay. Say my favorite animal is a cat. Okay, very good, Anna. Now, Anna, Let's look and say. Okay, you repeat after me. Okay, Anna, say, hi there. Are you a bird? Okay, again. Hi there. Are you a bird? Okay, perfect, Anna. Did a great job. Now, this one. Yes, I am an owl. Okay, owls are birds. Okay, you did a great job, Anna. Okay, next. Oh, look, look, Anna. What, what animal again is this, Anna? It is an owl. Okay, let's read, Anna. Owl. Okay, good, Anna. Owl. Okay, that's great. Now, Anna, I want you to count how many owls are there in the picture. Very good, two owls. Now let's count again. One, two. Okay, let's read the words, Anna. Owls. Okay, perfect. Remember, Anna, if it's one bird, it's owl without S. When it's two birds or two owls, it has S. Owls. Okay. Now this one, Anna. How many owls in the picture? Four. Very good, Anna. You are great in counting. Okay, let's count, Anna. One. Perfect. You did a great job, Anna. Now let's read the sentence, Anna. Owls are birds. Okay, good. Again, owls are birds. Okay, perfect, Anna. You're so great in counting. Okay, Anna, now let's. Oh, look at Mr. Owl. He lost his wings. Now, Anna, can you find the correct wings and drag it to the owl? Can you help, teacher? Okay. Okay, can you encircle the correct wings and drag it to Mr. Owl? Okay. Great job, Anna. You did a good job. Now I want you to read after me this sentence, Anna. Owls have got wings. Again, owls have got wings. Now your turn, Anna. Perfect, Anna. You did a great job in reading, Anna. Okay, now, Anna, let's watch a video of this. Then, after watching this, Anna, I have questions for you. Okay, are you okay with that? Okay, now you can watch the video. Okay. All right, we're done watching this video. Now, Anna, I have a questions, right? So my questions is, can only, again, can owls fly? Look, Anna, again, can owls fly? Okay, Yes, because owls have wings, they can fly so far. Okay, let's read this sentence, Anna. Owls can fly. Again. Okay, you did a great job, Anna. Perfect. Now, Anna, let's go to the next page. Okay, let's look and read. Okay, Anna. Now, Anna, how many owls can you see in the picture? One, two, three. Three owls. Okay, let's read the sentence, Anna. Owls are birds. Again, owls are birds. Your turn, Anna. Perfect. Okay, next one, Anna. Owls have got wings. Again, owls have got wings. Your turn, Anna. Great job, Anna. You did a great job for today. Now, last one. Owls can fly. Again, Anna. Owls can fly. Your turn, Anna. Very good, Anna. You did a great job. Teacher's so amazed with you. Okay, Anna, you are a fast learner, Anna. Now let's move to the next page, Anna. Oh, it's the end of our lesson, Anna. Now, Anna, I want you to practice in reading English books, okay? Okay. Now, Anna, thank you for booking a class with me and see you next time. Bye bye.